Hi everyone, Dylan here from Beard Consulting, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of things on BackupPC server on how to configure the schedule and what the different options are and how they can help you have a better um, backup retention. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your BackupPC GUI and go to Edit Config and Schedule. And here you're going to have a couple of different options for your schedule configuration. So the first section is going to have the full backups. And this section essentially, it tells you in the full period option, it tells you how often do you want to have a full backup. So every 7 days would be the default for a full backup. Then a fill cycle, which is, if we go to the documentation here that we have, a filled backup is a starting point for merging deltas when you restore or view backups. So having periodic filled backups makes it more efficient to view or restore older backups. Generally, I don't use it. But you can try it out. Then you have full keep quantity, minimum, and then age max, which is in days. So 180 days pass, and then that full backup will be deleted. Now, for incremental backups, you have kind of the same thing, but you have incremental period, which is default 1 days or slightly less than 1 days. And then you have incremental keep quantity. The default is 6. So you have 6 incrementals per week and then 1 full. And then the minimum for incrementals to keep is 1. And then you have the age, which is maximum of 30 days for a incremental backup. Now, after you check those sections out, you have the blackout section, which essentially tells BackupPC when not to perform backup operations. So the first option you have is backups disable. This is a generic option, which essentially disables every backup operation as long as it's toggled. So if you set it to 1 or 2, you have a couple of differences in there. So if we set it to 1, it disables only automated backups, but you can still do manual backups. And if you set it to 2, then it disables all types of backups. It ignores everything. And then you have the blackout periods, which basically you're telling it, okay, from this hour to this hour, you will not perform a backup. And on these days, you will not perform a backup in that period. So basically, you're telling it from day 1 to 5 on from 7 a.m. to 1900 hours, you're not going to do any backups. And then you have the blackout bad ping limit and good count, which is essentially for the ping threshold. And then the other options we have are restore info keep count, archive info keep count, and backup 0 files is fatal. Now, what this option is going to do is, if you enable it, what you're going to do is, if you back up a share and that share has 0 files, then it is going to consider it as a failure. So that's about it for the schedule options. If you want to have further explanation or any doubts about other sections of BackupPC, then feel free to comment down below and I'll try to make a video soon about it. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day.